guys, it's me, Omega Matt. Today we are gonna box this Hot Wheels 2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat with pink, black, and white from Mania 910 with 240 out of 250. And this is a 2024 PK Super Treasure Hunt. This is not super, this is regular. Custom striped muscle cars that look good driving around town or racing. There's a Dodge trademark. Let's unbox this car. Front, we have no detail, passenger side with black wheels, rear, driver side, and roof. And the card says U27, that's the code. Okay? If you have this car, that's great. And if you don't have this car, that's okay. And that's all for now. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and thanks for watching. And I will see you again in the next video.